Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I want to touch base with you about what's going on this week. And so, what you have to do this week besides a normal post is your socialization paper. So, when you're on the modules, you can see the paper is right here. It's 75 points and it's a big part of your grade and it's due February 16th. So, please make sure that you get it done. You're going to talk about your own socialization and you're going to use sociological kind of theory. You're going to pick functionalism, conflict, or symbolic interactionism to explain who you are. And you're also going to refer to the agents of socialization that are discussed in the textbook, okay? And so that's the reading for this week. The whole chapter is the reading for this week, but you also have specific content on agents of socialization. And so what does that exactly mean? What made you you is what you're going to think about. Certainly your upbringing, whoever your primary caregivers were, perhaps your school, perhaps your peer group, maybe your neighborhood. Those kinds of things are what contributed to making you you. So you're going to spend your time kind of developing those ideas and using a sociological theory. You can think about gender. You can think about, did you grow up in a pretty comfortable house? Did you have to struggle? Was it safe to run outside? Those sorts of things. So that's the topic. Feel free to reach out with any questions. And then the format is it's 8 to 10 pages, double spaced. You're going to use 3 sources, okay? So one can be the class materials. One is an academic journal, so you're going to need to do some library research on how to figure that out. Now remember, you've had this assignment since the first day of class, so this should not be a surprise to you. And then the third source can be your choice. I recommend getting help from the Writing Center or the tutors. And then this is the rubric. So this is what I'm looking for in the paper. So if you're wondering those sorts of things, how it's going to be graded, that's for your information. All right. So what makes you you? Kind of an interesting topic, I think. And using sociology to understand yourself and the context of your life and your world. So that plus your weekly post, and you're going to watch a film called Tough Guys, which is about gender socialization. So that could easily apply to your paper as well. So this is where you can link to the film. So, all right. I hope you have, see, you just go there. I hope you're having a good week. Hope you're enjoying the sun. And I look forward to reading these papers. Take care.